Aloha, this is Seashell Surf with a Tea Leaf Lei rope update on Memorial Day. And we're just a few days away from the events. And this is for experts that know. I was taught by an expert. That's the only reason I know how to do this. This is where you start 3 individual lei, and then they're going to be twisted or braided into one 20 to 30 foot lei that's going to be used as a rope. It's great working with tea leaf. It's easy. And this has been a great meditation for me. So if you're in the islands, or when you're in the islands and you need some real time to collect your thoughts and just stare out into space and put your love and aloha into something, it doesn't matter how it comes out. I mean, I'm doing this for an event, but your own mana or spiritual power, your own spiritualness goes into these lei, and you always have to be in a good mood. And I really just enjoy making them. It's been a while, but it's very calming and meditational. You all have a lovely Memorial Day. And speaking of Memorial Day, throughout the entire month of May, because I was in charge of the May Day, which is Lei Day program, and we have courts, kings and queens, and representatives to represent each one of the islands. They all dance hula. They come in a processional. May has always been a very busy month for me, and I enjoy doing it thoroughly. So after May Day, which was usually the assembly, our last assembly of the year, done on the first Friday of the month of May, my entire classes from social studies to Hawaiian language for our community service project is we would make these about this long. We would make tea leaf leis that are about 2 feet long, and I can't remember if we were supposed to tie them or leave them open, but they were going to be put on the grave sites for every soldier in the memorial cemeteries. And so I like to think of the end of the year doing May Day, and of course it's all the students that participate and take their time to make sure that they have a lovely assembly and make sure that they are happy and look lovely. And then at the end of the year, nothing better to do than to honor people, heroes. And so I would bring in all of the tea leaf, and I would have my students prepare them from deboning and or cutting them off of the mid-rib stem. I'd take them home and freeze them, bring them all back, and then we would do the Hawaiian thing to do. You sit and do Hawaiian arts and crafts while you wala'au or talk story. And that was all part of a learning experience, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. So here we are. And it might not look like much now, but I promise that these have so much aloha going into them. Happy Memorial Day, everybody, and aloha.